Good morning, everyone, on this wonderful, beautiful, a little bit cloudy, at least at me, but beautiful London morning. How is everybody doing? I know I started early, but I got so many messages that I should be starting the London session from the beginning of the kill zone, so here I am. So, welcome, welcome, welcome. How is everybody doing? A beautiful, beautiful morning. Okay. Summer wind. As Frank Sinatra would say. Hey, Wyox, how you doing there? Oh my god, where's the soundboard for the applause? Sebastian, hey! Good morning, guys. Nice to see you, everyone. You know, there's a saying, who gets up early finds gold. I don't know how they say it in English, but there's a Hungarian old saying, if you get up early, you will find gold. I feel not good. Keep losing account. Come on, Viox. What the hell is going on, man? What did you do? What happened?
What did you do?
What did you do, man? Joel, hey there. Morning, guys, or evening for some of you. How you guys doing? What did you do, Wyox? What did you do? Man, that's... Don't lose more accounts than you should not. I mean, you know what I mean. Oh, I just got a reply from the support. Okay, I'm just chatting with my funded future support. Sorry, guys. Too much risk. Yeah. That's always the situation, I know. I know. The problem is, you know, what is the cause of too much risk? Did you ever think about that? I think about it every day, actually. The cause is fear of losing. The fear is causing the too much risk. Think about that for a second. But you fear of losing. So, you know, that's what's causing the problem. And you shouldn't be feeling that because, you know, what can you... I mean, if you lose a position, let it be even a 1% position, what can go wrong, really? You can go on to the next trade. That's why we have to know that we have an edge, basically. Greg, hey there. Hey, Greg, I'm sorry I didn't help you properly yesterday. Did you get sorted out the issue with the connection, Greg? I was thinking about you. I mean, not that way, but I was thinking about you after that. And oh my God, I lured Greg into BULENOX, and I just I just can't help you. I didn't help you with the connection. It should be a real simple. You know what? I can go through. I can disconnect my Rhythmic right now from BULENOX. I have to download Rhythmic Trader Pro. Oh yeah, damn it! I totally forgot. Man, that was the issue. You had to download. Losing makes everyone angry, man. Losing makes everyone angry, Wyox. Kevin, hey there. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sorry, I'm just chatting. I'm just chatting with my funded futures support. Hold on, I'm just chatting. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm chatting super hard on the on my funded futures. But it's good now. Nice in quant hours. It's really great. Damn, that's good. Greg, I'm happy for you. I'm happy you could sort it out. I'm just gonna update my charts real quick. So yeah. Nice. Okay. My funded future support is great right now. They are preparing a promotion. Okay. They are awesome. They are awesome. They are helping me out. There is a very good promotion right now on my funded futures, and the support was very generous to give me a hand with the promotions. So that is awesome. That is awesome. They are great. They are doing a great job. All right. So let's see. With so many accounts, account lost at least I help you a little with the commissions. Oh, dude. Can I ask Wyox, which prop firm did you purchase the account? Because gladly I have a few dollars from here and there, but I don't see who is purchasing. I just see, you know, the numbers popping up. And thank you so much, Viox, for helping me out. It really helps out the stream. So thank you for that. So thank you so much for that. It's a forex firm, Aqua funded. Wow, small, but you know they, you know, it only matters if they pay you out. You know, that's all that matters. I'm gonna change some flyers here. Okay. All right. Let me update the charts because I left a lot of stuff here from yesterday. It's interesting to see how price actually returned to the midnight opening level here. So we returned here. We have some sell side liquidity here and down there as well. Now previous, I'm gonna delete this. Previous day low comes here right now. So previous day low comes here, and what else do we have? We have yesterday's high intact here. Do we have any news? Let's check it out. What do we have today? The morning session is going to be quiet. We're going to have some euro stuff, and what? Powell is going to continue to testify. So at the afternoon, we're going to have some firecrackers again. We should be having a quiet London session, hopefully. Yeah, look at this on the 15-minute, and why we can't use 1.5 contract. You should go with micros, Greg. You can go with 15 micros if you want to. So go with 15 micros, Greg. I know it's new to you, but if you I mean, with minis, you cannot use 1.5, but use 15 minis. Oh, sorry, micros. 15 micros. So let's just see. Let's just see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes. We have a fair value gap down here, right below the sell side, right there. And let's see. I'm gonna go with this, and yeah. I think we are reaching for that sell side, guys. It really wants to go for it, and we're not even in the kill zone right now. Hold on. I'm doing some chat here with my funded futures, and they're very awesome. helping me out with the giveaway. It seems like. Let me just sort out the details. Uh, oh wow, wow, wow! I love my funded futures, guys. They are really helping me out. Okay, something going on here. Hey, Tess. Good morning. Um, so I think we should be dropping further down to this sell side liquidity, but I have no entry right now. Not even an order block or anything like that. Okay, now it's dropping again, 53. It's a healthy 20 points. We have a 20 points drop here. Hold on, I have to initiate the trade copier. Okay. Okay. Trade copier is on, but no displacement now. So still no entry for me, guys. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. How are you doing, Test? Any good results from yesterday? Yesterday was a little bit of carnage. I mean, Powell was really messing up the spot. I mean, this whole testimony, you know, that occurred. By the way, if you were watching closely, this here was a classic ICT long setup from here. So that was really something. That was really something. Previous day low. I think we should be dropping 20 points. Epics Entropy, hey there. How you guys doing? Look at that. We're dropping down into previous day low, and I think we're gonna drop down to 929. But I have no entry, guys. It's just slipping down slowly, and I'm just a little bit too scared to scalp it. Long 946. First trade. I might be wrong. If I were you, but of course it's absolutely your decision, I would wait for this one to tap into liquidity, because I think we're gonna, you know, sweep some liquidity and then maybe go up from there. Saeed, hey there. Welcome, Saeed. How you doing, my man? How you doing? Good to see you. Wow. Guys, I'm having something really good going on here with my funded futures right now. I'm gonna let you guys know there's someone from support with really good idea for a giveaway. Doing great. All right. I'm so glad to be here. I'm glad that you're here, Saeed. I'm really glad that you're here. Guys, this is the plan on Nasdaq right now at the start of the kill zone. Let's see. So I want to see first. I know FX and Trophy don't want to see this, but first to dive deeper into this sell side here, and then maybe go up. So Okay. All right. All right. What is happening? So we're still just hovering at one point. Sorry, I'm just chatting with support here. All right. Please, Tom, if you don't mind, round applause. Oh, yeah, a round applause, guys. I forgot. I was so much into chatting with support. Marco, hey there, good morning. Welcome, everyone. We're still waiting for some moves here. So I was chatting with my funded futures support, and I was absolutely amazed about the help that I got. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. They are awesome. There's going to be a giveaway, 50K starter account giveaway at my funded futures. I can already tell that. It's awesome. It's a short. I mean, I'm a small channel. I'm a small streamer, but they were very kind, helping me out with a giveaway. So it's good news, guys. Finally, because I wanted to do some giveaways, as I told you, I was looking for a way to do it. What happened? Crypto Panda, hey there. No, my funded. I'm gonna do a my funded futures giveaway. So that's it. I'm just a little bit a little bit overwhelmed. So, but guys, I'm truly amazed. I'm truly amazed how helpful my funded futures was today. So they just upgraded my code, Tom Sabo, and let me show you. How can I open this? Is there a way to open it? Okay, I think I can. I think I can do this. I'm not a tech guy, guys, but I will do what I can. Great. So here's the code. For starter accounts and activation fee and resets, use my code TOMSABO at my funded futures. This is really great. And also, the same goes for the expert accounts. So the expert accounts have a 20% off with my code. If you use it, 20% off. And also, so you can get an expert account for 300, but the starter accounts have the 30% discount for the activation fee and the resets too. So my promotion code just got a little bit upgraded as far as I understand. So this is really, really, really good news, and they were super awesome, and I'm super, super thankful for their help. and I just got the offer to make a promotion. I'm actually a giveaway. So there's going to be a My Funded Futures 50K account giveaway here on the stream, but not today. First, I have to do a promo video, which I wanted to do anyways. And the requirement, activation fee for BULENOX, yes, as for every prop firm. 148 for the 50K accounts, and I think around 200 for the 100K accounts. TOPSTEP has 149. Some other prop firms has around 150 as well, 160 something. I don't even know. Many versions out there, but usually around $150 or a little bit more. The main thing with BULENOX is the 50K account has the same activation fee as the others. But right now, the best true cost to funding, I told this every day, guys. That's why I was talking. Yeah, you guys remember every day I was talking about this with about my funded futures, that the true cost of funding, not every month, only one time, Greg, it's only one time. But I was talking about this every single day on the streams, that the true cost of funding, which includes the activation fee and everything else combined together, is the cheapest at my funded futures. So on the expert accounts, but right now with these codes, it's going to be even better. So these codes should be valid in this month, during the whole month in March. So that is great. There you see, 21st of March, it's valid. Unlimited uses. It works both on starter and expert plan as well. So that's very good. And there you go. Good morning, Trader G. So, but first, you need to sign up with my affiliation link. Want to enter NQ short, but too chicken. Missed the 5-minute. Well, there was actually no special entry here, not even on the 5-minute chart. Not really on the 5-minute. That's why I'm not entering. So I'm just watching this, but not really entering right now. So I'm not entering this right now. And so the giveaway would go like this, and I'm just saying, if you guys want to participate in the giveaway, you just have to register to my funded futures through my affiliate link. That's the first step. You have to be a customer, and if you are a customer, you don't have to buy anything. Just register. Registration is free. If you register through my affiliate, if you already registered with my funded futures, you can do that again. You can just log out from your platform to update the cookies, and click my link and log in again into my funded futures. So after you've done that, there's going to be a Google form which you can sign up for with email and some other data, and there's going to be a wheel spin or something on the stream, and you know, I'm going to write out every detail how we're going to do it, but there's going to be a 50K account giveaway. I'm going to do the review video, I think, today, and there's going to be every detail in that video. So this is going to be really, really, really awesome. And they were very generous. So right now the promo codes are actually super great. Super great. 30% off from using Tom Sabo, and 20% off from expert accounts from today all the way through the whole month. And that is something really great. I do appreciate that. Can you ask my funded futures when they will accept Slovenia customers? Oh, I can. I think I actually can. I can actually can. Hold on, I'm asking it. I'm just asking it right now, Marco. I just typed in, and hopefully they will have some answers. Sahid, it's my pleasure. So the Tom Sabo discount code now goes with 20% and 30% discount for the whole month of March. Until March 21st, you can get it the discount for the expert accounts. So, for example, a 50K expert account, including the activation fee. No problem, Marco. I just wrote the question. So the expert account, which includes the activation fee, you can get it for 100. Let me zoom it out. You can get it for $132. The 150K, including the activation fee, is $300, but there is no consistency rule or anything. So don't forget that the best competition right now is the 50K and the 100K against every other prop firm right now with the expert accounts. But even the starter account, look at that, the reset and everything is just great. The reset's down to $70. Activation fee is $104 if you use my code. Micros capped to 5. Micros, you can go with 20 micros, I think, Nasdaq Dragon. I think you can go with 20 micros or at least 20. On the starter, you can go with 20. I know that. On the expert, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna dive deeper into that. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, Marco, I just got the reply from support that unfortunately not. There's a website, the OFAC website. You should check it out. They are the ones who deciding official Office of Foreign Assets Control, basically. And my funded future is futures are complying with this regulation, and you know, 50K expert is kept to 5 lots micro, but that should be 50 micros, no? 50K expert is kept to 5 lots micro, so you can do that. I'm sure you can do more than 5 micros. So that's 50 micros, right? That's 50 micros. That should be 50 micros. Expert, you can have 5 minis or 1 mini and 4 micro. Really? I have to look into that. 5. All right. I get it, Nas the Dragon. I get it. 5. Actually, 5 micros is better than 2 on the others, but The issue, no issue. Mark was trying to register, but Slovenia is on the list that they don't accept clients from Slovenia yet, at least. Unfortunately, it's strange because Slovenia is part of the European Union since 2004. I think politically stable. They are in trade with every country, so everything is. So you know, all right. Sorry, guys. So, I don't know, but there is this commission which called the Office of Foreign Assets Control. There. And Office of Foreign Assets Control regulations. And everyone on this list is, unfortunately, I mean, we have names like Crimea. I don't even understand really Croatia, because Croatia is actually doing very good in the European Union. So two of these names here is Croatia and and Slovenia. Where is Slovenia? Slovenia, there you go. Slovenia, Croatia, I don't understand why. I would understand Zimbabwe or Yemen or Venezuela, Vietnam, Ukraine, understandable. Uganda, understandable. Panama, Pakistan, I understand these countries. But I really don't understand Slovenia. Even Serbia is understandable because they're not part of the Union. But Slovenia and Croatia, I don't really understand why not. So that's interesting. That's I really don't understand. Unfortunate. What else? Albania, Afghanistan. So these countries somewhat understandable. Kosovo, Mongolia, but you know, really. Anyway, I don't know, but you know, we're not the ones who are making these policies. One mini and 4 micros. It's high already. Yeah. So anyway, you're in sales. Wish you luck. Well, guys, it seems like that we are definitely hovering into this sell side. I think so. So be careful. Manage your risk accordingly. We have like at least a 15-point possible drop here. If you guys want to enter there. I'm also checking the possible risk parameters with a 1-to-1. So if you would like to enter here, even if you go with the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, you can still go in with a little bit of a portion of there you go, shorts are playing out. And again, if you zoom out, we have a sell side liquidity in this fair value gap. So overall, previous day low is at 32.25. So 32.25, yeah. I don't know. 32.25 is sell side there. But have to be careful. This one is 32.20, so 32.25 should be, Previous day low is 32.25. Your stop loss could be somewhere up there if it would like to retrace, because if it trades above the 62 swing, then it might be retesting the highs again if you guys are short. Here we can use only Apex, BULENOX, and Take Profit Trader. Oh yeah. Good luck, Greg. Yeah. TOPSTEP, no my funded futures. Wow. No blue sky. Interesting though. That's very interesting. Even TOPSTEP, it's still only 5 micros. I'm going for a minus 2. Yeah. London Open will. Yeah. Nas. It's high, dude. Sell side liquidity. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes, I trade my funded futures. I have an account with my funded futures as well. Yes, it's possible. If you want, you can trade either 5 minis or 5 micros, or 1 minis and 4. Yeah, 1 minis and so 5 contracts, but it can be 1 mini and 4 micros, or 3 minis and 2 micros. I think that's what FX Entropy is referring to. I think. Yeah, there you go. All right, calm down, guys. You know, just chill out. Just chill out. Chill out, everyone. We're not going to fight over some some stuff like this, you know. Let's see. Let's just wait and see what's going to happen here. Is it going to pop up, or is it going to reach for liquidity down there? And then we will know if we want to take a long, maybe, or, you know, what's going to happen in the bigger picture. Let me update my Streamlabs with the promo codes. Timers. Let me check it again. Confirm. All right. I just had to update it. Spreads are going to take. Oh yeah, because you're trading on CFD, right? Yeah. No, it's not Palinka. I wish it would be. It's just a coffee. I wish it would be Palinka. So just done watching that movie. Oh, floored. Apparently, trading electronically is totally different than it was. Yeah, it was a different era, I think. Absolutely different era. So there is a small tiny fair value gap here on the 5-minute. I'm not sure if this one is going to be enough for price to take it and go down, but if you guys are eager to take it, here it is. 5-minute fair value gap to go short, but we can still pop higher to the 66s. I don't know if this one was enough for it, then it was a possible trade entry. If someone wanted to enter on the 5-minute. Oh, look at that. What a sharp drop there. 220, and you're out? You got stopped out? No way, man. I did watch it, Said. I watched the Rogue Trader yesterday. The ending was, of course, it is not a happy ending, as we all know it. It was not a happy ending. And, you know, I could definitely feel the desperation of even McGregor's character, you know, through the movie. It was quite interesting. It was quite interesting. I think it's a great movie. You know, it was made in 1999. So it was interesting to watch that. The spreads, dude. It didn't even hit my stop loss, but the spreads took you out. That's the problem with trading CFDs. You have to use wide spreads and much smaller positions. That's the only way you can make it, especially if there are, for example, in London, we have very low movements. So you have to go with low spreads, unfortunately. That's the thing. And I know it could be disappointing, but what can we do, right? What can we do? I think this one should be taking out yesterday's low because we have this liquidity down there. So next good sells on NQ, M1 Toms, Habo T will be RSI. Hey guys, will be once RSI reach the divergence in overbought area. I don't really know what you're saying there, but I think I do. It's great indeed. They were trading Nikkei futures. Yes, they were trading Nikkei reaches. Yeah. They were trading Nikkei. The guy was very, very, very confident that he can move the market with all those contracts. And by the end, I don't even know. I think he made like 300 million pounds at that time loss for the firm, but the firm was already in debt. So yeah. Is that a true story? I think it was a true story, right? Because it's really sad. So the guy gets the jail and he gets cancer, and even the wife leaves him. So that's a really sad story, and unfortunately it was a true story. Yeah. Or right now, if you are a rogue trader, Tom. I'm not a rogue trader. I try to, you know, yesterday was crazy. Yesterday I was grateful that the account survived because I did that before. That happened before, and I was very humbled and grateful that I survived. So I think I should be really thankful for the universe but it was absolutely nonsense what I did yesterday. Good morning, David. How you doing? Or actually, RSI shorts under 50 are also valid too. I'm not really, so my entries are not based on the RSI exceptionally. So I just use the RSI to, you know, so it's not an entry criteria. I just watch it to determine where is the market right now, what kind of a movement can I expect from price. It's not especially a criteria for me, but I do like when the RSI is curving down if I'm looking for a sell setup, or if I see it on the oversold, quote unquote oversold area, then, you know, I'm a little bit more careful, especially when I'm scalping. It's not an exceptional and mandatory trade entry level right there. So it was sad, but actually very comical and funny. Yeah, it was a little bit funny sometimes. Yes, absolutely. I think his character was the start of the whole thing, especially with the current trend and EMA VWAP stack. Yes, yeah. The problem for me right now on the 1 minute is that we have this high with no wick here. So if this one breaks it with an up close candle, we have a structure shift, which is not a good thing. And it can actually, you see, it can actually break higher. And if we look at the 5 minute, this one can easily end up in the red. We have fair value gaps up there. It can be reaching for that before it starts to go down again, if it wants to go down again. So look at that. Now it's going up. So yeah. Yesterday, well, you can watch my video, my recap from yesterday. Instead of going in with 2 micros, I was going in with 2 minis, partially by accident and because I was having so many open tabs on my screen and the trade copier was on, and I went in on the main account with 2 minis and it was copy trading it all over. So I almost, the BULENOX account went down to the daily loss limit. Almost the My Funded Futures account suffered too. Apex account. So what I did, I was gambling yesterday. I was gambling to bring those accounts back to profit. The BULENOX account went down to the daily loss, so that was disabled, but the rest of the accounts I could bring back to profit. So that yesterday was absolute carnage on my end, really. Look at the sell side on the M5 RSI crossover. Yeah. Again, this is just a 1-to-1-ish position, and as you can see, it's breaking higher. How it printed, so smooth and nice, being where under the red line, which is 200. Printed so smooth and nice, being under the red line, which is 200 EMA. These EMAs which I use is 180 and the 34 EMA. Nothing special, actually. Yeah, 2 minis. Just watch the video. I explained it there in detail. My daily recap. I explain everything in detail right there. That was really crazy what I did there. I'm not proud of it. That's what happened. I don't even know. It's kind of blurry for now how I survived that move, but it was actually really crazy. Really crazy. I don't know what happened there. So right now I have nothing here. I would like to see, even if London opens, I would like to see this sell side to be taken, and then I'm gonna be looking for some move. This is just, we were just measuring a potential entry. Actually, I'm gonna delete this. We don't need this. There was a 5 minute fair value gap. Right, so only should look for shorts when you know for sure we're going down. But short right now, yeah, it's a little bit late to the party. I understand it. I completely understand it. That's why I pointed out on the 5-minute a small fair value gap if someone wants to risk it as a low-hanging fruit down here. In this fair value gap, we have a low of yesterday in the Asian session. This is an Asia low, technically. Well, not really, but sort of like an Asia low. By the way, guys, can I ask you guys to push the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already? That would really, really help out the stream. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, everyone who is helping out the stream. By the way, I wanted to raise the position sizes anyway on the evaluation accounts because with this phase, it's going to take at least one more extra month to reach the funded levels on those accounts. And so for now, I was going with 60, 70, sometimes $80 per position. But I might want to raise that risk to around 100 to between $120, $130 per trade. So that is, I think, something I will do. I just have to raise the risk, even if I will have potentially bigger losses on a day. But, you know, I would like to speed things a little bit up on the evaluation accounts. So that is something I'm looking to do. So again, I was going with $40, $50, $60 per trade. I think I'm gonna double that risk to over $100 risk per trade, 120 maybe. I really need to speed up things. Who knows? Yeah. P trading. Hey there. I'm doing. I'm trying to do my best here after yesterday. Subscribe all. Tom is legit. I'll try to be legit. You know. Sometimes I trade hindsight. You know. But I'll try to be legit as much as that. By the way, guys, since everyone is here, I can now officially announce that we are going to do a giveaway. A My Funded Futures 50K account, and one of the requirements, because I just got off with the chat with the My Funded Futures support. They were very great and kind, and they know that I stream, and they said they're going to give a promo code, I think something like that, a promo code that you can use to get a free 50K account. So the thing how it's going to go is that yeah, the thing how it's going to go is the My Funded Futures link is somewhere in the chat and down there in the description. You don't have to buy anything yet. You just have to register through my link at My Funded Futures. If you are already registered, just log out from the dashboard and use my link and log in again. And so you have to register under my affiliate link. And there's going to be a Google form, which I'm going to post on the chat and on my community tab on the YouTube. You guys can fill it out. I'm going to do a review video about My Funded Futures. That's the deal. I'm going to do a review video, and the links are going to be out for the Google Sheet that you can fill out. And we're going to be doing a wheel spin or something like that. And that's it. And the winner is going to get a promo code for the 50K giveaway. That's all, basically. That's how it works as I understand. So it's a good thing. I like it. I really do. So that's how it works. Okay, now look at that. We are going higher. We are going higher. It was still interesting. If we zoom out on the 15, if we zoom out on the 15-minute, we are also still getting into a fair value gap here. But what's more important right now is that there is a fair value gap here on the 15-minute, like that. And this one here is actually a bearish order block. Starts from 978. So, you know, that could be interesting. That could be really interesting. For now, I stopped it because I had too much losses last week and before that. So I'm not completely stopping with Russell, but I was having too many risk and too much loss last week by focusing on two assets. And I had to make a decision what to do. So of course I like Nasdaq much better. And so I'm sticking with Nasdaq for now. Yeah, I'm definitely. I will go back to Russell, but for now I'm sticking with the Nasdaq. Got 15 points. Oh, great! FX and Trophy, nice one. Applause and thank you guys for watching. Huge applause for everyone. So far, run through EST yesterday. Price action NQ was pretty wild. Oh yeah, that was crazy. Yeah, that was real crazy. That was like OMG. The giveaway is going to be, the deal is this. I told My Funded Futures I'm going to do the video today. So I have to record it. I have to go through some details. I'm going to do a promo video for My Funded Futures. I'll try to put it out today, at least after the PM session Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to put it out. And there's going to be a Google link, which is going to be a very simple Google sheet. You will just give a name and email address, nothing special. And we're going to do the wheel spin. Tomorrow is Friday, so I think it's going to be tomorrow or maybe... What do you guys think? When should be the giveaway take place? Friday or Monday? Should we leave more time? Should we do it on Monday so everybody will have time over the weekend to participate? I think that's not a bad thing, right? I think we should leave more time because I saw a similar thing. Maybe one day is not enough. So I'm going to put out the video. The link is going to be shared on the stream tomorrow as well and on the rest of the videos, and maybe the wheel spin is going to be on Monday or Tuesday, so everybody will have a chance to participate over the weekend. But it's going to be out tonight, or the video is going to be out and the Google Sheet is going to be out. Link is going to be there in the community tab. I'm going to make a post on it and on the stream too, and below the video. All it requires from you guys is to register through my affiliate link to My Funded Futures, and that's it. It's free. So that's it. You can see all the yeah M1 setup, absolutely. I usually the same, Saeed. I usually next week is better, so more people will have the chance to participate. It's going to be a 50K starter account. It's not going to be an expert. It's going to be a 50K starter account, but it's still good. I'm having starter account too, so no problem with that. So we will do it on Monday or Tuesday, so everybody will have time to sign up for the link. So I'm going to do the promo. Look at this. What a retracement to this 15-minute fair value gap. 15-minute CB fair value gap. There you go. Okay, and let's do a little bit of a different color. There. So guys, if I see a structure shift down, I might take it. Who knows? I'm gonna be watching this. I do like this setup right here. I definitely like this. I like how the EMAs are collapsing together a little bit. I like that the RSI is up there. I like that we have a very, very clean target down here. Yeah, London is going to be open, so that might give us a displacement. So I like it so far. Still bearish. If it's going to go higher, then we could see 17,978 here. Let me check it. Hold up. As sell side, no, sorry, I take that back. 15-minute order block, that's what I meant to put here. There. So bearish order block on the 15-minute to the right. So that's still up there. Okay, so this is what I wanted to see actually. But the problem is we have London open, so guys, we really have to be careful on this one. Let me measure the take profit levels. Oh man, I don't like this. I really don't like this. The problem is that oh. Yeah, even with $100, I have to go with almost 4 micros. So, little bit. I'm gonna put a pending order here with 3 micros. The high of this candle is 56.25. Look at that go. 57, 56. Okay, I put a pending order here. The high of this candle is 56.25. 56.25. Risk to reward is not good. Okay, so pending order has been placed. Now I have to I don't like this, man. Maybe if I put it lower. Then I have to go with the bigger take profit level into the fair value gap. Okay, so the pending order has been moved to 53.25. It's risky. Okay, I got filled just before London Open. It's risky, guys. 1 minute before London Open, I took a bit of a gamble here. Picture of this chart for a minute so I can yeah, just a second there, just a second, because Nasdaq Dragon, I'm just a second. I just entered the trade and I have to measure. Definitely gonna get back to you with that, Nasdaq Dragon. So the stop loss for me is going to be, oh my god, London opened. The stop loss is gonna take me out. 66.50. Yeah. Okay, it's fine. 66.50, and the take profit level is gonna be 26.75. I'm gonna put it to 27 if we go down there. So London is open. It can absolutely go up and reprice this small liquidity void up there. Hold on, as the dragon. I'll let me update myself. But can you please pop up the picture of this chart for 1 minute so I can... you're referring to the Nasdaq chart? Probably not, because M5 is oversold. Will they dump it before 3 a.m. too? Yeah, I don't know. It's a risky short because London can absolutely... So we have a 15-minute order block up there, which I don't like. I'm just curious if they want to sweep some liquidity below here from yesterday's low. So yeah. For 2 ticks, I haven't got stopped out yet. Well, again, this one is a little bit of a risky trade. Hold on. But I'm in the trade, so what can I tell? My special futuristic indicators also were telling me to enter the trade. I don't know what's gonna happen. My analysis was that we should be sweeping liquidity in these levels. We have consequent encroachment down here at the 900s. Unfortunately, it goes up now. But if it goes up and takes me out, one more chance to look for an entry would be in this 15-minute order block. If that doesn't really help, then it's cool. Maybe it's gonna be a real fast run right now. Oh no. Now it seems like it wants to take me out. I'm short now. What do you think? Bernard, I think it's super risky because of this, as you can see. And yeah, like it or not, it can be a stop loss right now. I played by my entry model, so what can I say? Not every trade is a winner. And my win ratio is below 60%, so unfortunately, yeah, this is gonna be a stop, guys. What a shame. I really was hoping. I think it will go for the 15-minute order block. So if it does the same structure shift again up here in the order block, I would still look for it to break structure to grab the lows. I'm actually deleting my TP as well, so it's gonna take me out. It's 1 point and it's over. So that's it. Was looking good, was looking promising. It had a small structure shift and everything, but now it's just, it is what it is, guys. You can decide if you want to close it partially or close it now with a smaller loss. I'm gonna wait for the full stop just to make sure that I did everything as my entry model dictates. But you know, 100 lot. Hey there. Well, that was so cool. Got 8 points on the long. There you go. You guys can fade me anytime. What up there? 34 EMA is currently up. It's currently up, but the thing is that let's see. Well, I mean, price was, I mean, the EMAs, the 34 is below the 180, which was still giving me a bearish trend. So yeah, unfortunate, a little bit disappointing to be stopped out so fast, and other days we have to wait for 2 hours for a take profit, but it is what it is. What can you do, right? Oh no. Yeah, I got did I get taken out from the trade? I'm still in the... Okay, now I got stopped out. All right. I got stopped out. So if this one goes higher, then the 15-minute order block is gonna be up here, which of course is not a guarantee, but this is a 15-minute bearish order block, also in line with the trend, with the bearish trend. If it would react, what's the opening price? The open is 17,987. Coordinate 987. So that's the start of the order block. Sad, sad, sad. But you know, this is trading. Can't really do anything. Can't really do anything, guys. It's part of trading. Cup and handle retail pattern. Yeah, I mean, those patterns are sometimes a little bit interesting to me. You didn't know. I was short. I was short. Maybe if it wants to do one more shift, I'll try once more as a second chance. But otherwise, I don't know. I still I think it would be wise to just wait. All out for 20 points. There you go. FX Entropy, he's killing it. He is killing it. Yeah, it ripped off. Yeah. You know, it happens, but you have to get comfortable, you know, with losses. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. We cannot do anything with that. If it would like to shift one more, I'll try to give one more, but you know, a second chance I would give this trade, but I would like to see a nice displacement, a clear sign that it's really targeting these this sell side right there. Right there. Can't win them all, guys. Dip and rip, let's go. Yeah, it's one of my favorite plays. Nice. Let's call Frankfurt scam. I like that. Frankfurt scam. The Frankfurt scam. We all like that. I cannot trade everyone here on 15-second time frame M1 combo with a couple of few minis on NQ right now. Nas the Dragon he's killing it really. Nas the Dragon he has the tools to do it on the 15 seconds. But I won't. Want to go get some milk and stuff at the gas station. Oh look at that. Now it's doing its job. Took me out and now it's doing its job. That's sad. I have to take a new measurement here. The problem is that the risk to reward ratio is going to be off on this one. That's the problem. How much is the risk? Still there. Yeah, so that's my problem, is the risk to reward ratio is definitely off. Candle is almost closing. It's pretty sad. No retracement so far, but we have a structure shift again. So, you know, I'm eager to place one more. Oh, there you go. Now it goes again. I'm gonna put it to 5150-ish, maybe. Oh no, look at that, guys. It's gonna go for yesterday's low. Do you guys want to scalp it, jump in, or chase it? It's very tasty, very juicy. Going for 32 if you guys want to chase it. I wish I could. No. What a dirty move. What a dirty move. What a dirty, dirty, dirty move. Oh, there you go. There you have it. Perfect. Don't tell me, guys, you guys don't feel some FOMO, because I do. There you go. So these are the times which are emotionally challenging. That is bye-bye money strategy with the two-leg pullback that you hit it. Panda boy. Oh man, look at this. I'm trusting I actually was trusting it because, you know, the first trade was absolutely on, it was a perfect entry for me. The thing that it got me stopped out was, you know, it was a thing. Or if you are referring to enter on this point here, you know, that could have been also an entry. Next time I will try to do that. But look at this, boys. This is absolutely nuts. This is nuts. This is nuts. This is why you don't use stop losses. I hit the market offers and there's no limits. Dude, I wish I could say I don't use stop losses, but stop losses are... Without stop losses, I would lose my head, for sure. I need stop losses. I need it. Took me out perfectly there, and boom, went down. Is this ever occurred to you guys? Look at that last rejection of the 200 EMA, or M1, with the anti-sell side elephant bar. That was your entry. This one, right? Oh no, this one, yeah, here. Rejection. That's a completely different entry model, Nas. If I can, you know, do some back tests with this, but absolutely I can do that. For me, even if I would use the entry, I mean the EMA cross, I would like to see price closing below the 34 at least in a situation like this. Bernard is having FOMO. I'm having FOMO too. You were the liquidity here in this case. Yeah, I seen it, but unfortunately it took me out. Look at how dirty this move. It was 66.50 and it went, yeah, just like with 2 points. It took me out and boom. Wow. Yes, you enter right when that candle is 5 seconds away from closing. Yeah. Yeah, but that's, again, it's a different entry model. So my entry model is different. My entry model was here, using the fair value gap with the stop loss. Entering, like you said, it's also a possibility, but it's a different entry model. That's it. And there's no problem with that. Different entry models have a different, you know, risk to reward, different percentages of outcome, different win ratio. Hold on a second, just a second. So, what is happening? That was dirty. This was a dirty move. Nasdaq played dirty on me. That trailing buyer's candle at 200 is very telling. Yeah, you had the right idea but entered the wrong time. It happens to anyone, by the way, so there is no perfect system. If I would have entered here, it could also spiked up all the way here and then go down. So there is no 100% entry here. There is no 100% entry. Now it's going back up there. Emotional damage, yeah. I need to stop trading. Well, actually, that's also a version. You can stop trading before London. But yeah. We have swiped the Asia low range. Now we can go up if we consolidate a bit above. Yes. If we would do some kind of a structure here, we can actually go higher. We can actually visit these. Look at this, almost relative equal highs up there. So these are nice targets. I do like it. If we go out to the 5-minute, we have 1, 2 relative equal highs. We have fair value gaps out up there, and we have the 18,000 level. So we definitely have some targets. All I would need is for a classic ICT entry, which I also use. These are the 2 models I told you guys. Then I would just like to see some kind of a structure forming here and then go up. And this is how I would do it. But for now, I just have to wait. Yeah, but elephant bars going with the current trend usually have. You know, I understand as the dragon, and I think you're definitely saying some very good information, but that is something that we don't know, because I truly believe that every trade is unique. Every moment is unique, like Mark Douglas says. So yes, I could have taken this, but it could have also spiked me out here and then go down. This is what we will never know. Of course, we know now, but if the same opportunity would present itself, you know, we have a 15-minute bearish order block up there. It could have gone bad up here as well. I don't know. We will never know. That's why we all trade differently. And what you're saying is also a very good entry model, so I respect that. But it has a different scenario, a different outcome. So that's why there are like thousands of entry models out there. There are some basics with market structure and fundamentals of technical analysis. That's one thing. And another thing is there are thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of different entry models for the market. Your entry model with this elephant candle and the entry is one of those, and mine is one of those. So that's why the percentage of the outcomes is differing for every trader. But yeah, so if I would enter like this, as you said it, I would have also strategy hopped to another entry. That would have resulted in a different, completely different result. Of course, I would have won the trade, but I don't know from 100 trades or 200 trades how a scenario like this would behave. I cannot anticipate that it has an 80% win ratio before I do not backtest it. I do not use the system for at least a few months consistently, and I don't have some kind of a, you know, but I do understand. Small 15-minute fair value gap here. We can aim for daily open 18,040. Yeah, it can happen. Daily open? Was that there? The daily open? Daily open was at 974, right? Or the higher one? Yesterday's open? Really? Yeah, that was actually a good price action. despite the fact that I got stopped out with this one, this was a nice price. And for example, now that it's shifting structure again, there's another opportunity to skyrocket to fame. We have a market structure shift there. And as I said, we can target those highs. If this was a Judas swing and we should have a retracement into this area, then, you know, 1 to 2 risk to reward, take out those highs. Why not? But it's not retracing. Look at this, what it's doing right now. Look at this price action, guys. So if it goes to that 15-minute fair value, I'm sorry, bearish order block, a lot of things can happen. My target is coffee. Good one. Hey, wet mild. I like your name. My target is bad. My target is milk and cereal. I like to call my trades when I get them on my trading. Might help along with the way. But I don't want to contradict. It's all right. Anyone can call out the trades here if you guys want to. I'm looking for this trade, by the way, but I don't really want to overtrade that much as well. So I'm just, for example, the low of this candle was 53. So if it go back below, if it would go back below there to the 53s, I'm just measuring with limit orders how much can it actually make. If I modify this, yeah, this candle is closing right now. A little bit dangerous. Little bit dangerous. If I modify it with 2 micros, it can still do it. For example, if you want to enter here, 58.50 area, then your take profit should be up here. And your stop loss is down there. There are some good targets up there, which I like, but we have fair value gaps. We have mid-threshold. So we have good targets, absolutely good targets up there. But it's not retracing. So it's kind of a... It's interesting. It's interesting for sure. I placed the limit order with micros here. In case if it would like to take us on to those highs. Now everybody I know has a different opinion. Yeah, it could be. It could be. Could be a possibility. It could be putting in the lows for the day and then maybe look for the highs. So long 9.5 at risk. Oh, nice. Took off, yeah. So we have a fair value gap here as well. Small structure shift here. We're heading inside that order block, which I don't really like. You know, this would be my entry gap, but it's going into that 15-minute order block without any retracement into this small gap here. So that is interesting. Bears are in control on all the higher time frames right about now. Yeah, I know it's a bearish market. I'm not looking for that big of moves right now. We are definitely shifted structure to the bearish side. That doesn't mean it cannot have a backtest rally up there. We actually might see a lot of downside in the next coming days. I agree with that. We might see that. VWAP. Oh, I don't use the VWAP. 970 is the VWAP. So we're right here at the VWAP right now, you say. Okay. It's breaking through the VWAP. And we're going into the bearish order block. So, yeah. I'm bullish because the seasonal tendencies March have rally up expected. Could be. Could be. You guys didn't think that Friday market wouldn't stop going up. Now we just really have to wait. The order block starting here at 78. So there you go. I still have a limit order here, but let's see. Ta -ta 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 -ta. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching the stream, and if you can help out the stream, please push the like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helping out, and what can I say? That's it. Use my promo links. By the way, the Tom Sabo link with the My Funded Futures, if you register through my link at My Funded Futures, there's a 30% off with my link using Tom Sabo from the starter accounts. So 30% off, and from the activation fees as well, and the resets. And if you want to go with the expert account, now it's 20% off if you use Tom Sabo. So 20% off. And if you look at the 50K to 100K accounts with the expert accounts, this is the cheapest true cost to funding, by the way, all over the market. So you don't get it cheaper than this. So that's the best promo right now with My Funded Futures. I'm gonna do a review video about it later, and there's going to be a giveaway. A My Funded Futures giveaway is going to happen next Monday or Tuesday. There's gonna be a review video out later today in the evening session or after that. There's going to be a Google Sheet. You just have to fill in your email, and there's going to be a wheel spin next Monday or Tuesday. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, because it's going to be awesome. Okay, now the 15-minute bearish order block is reacting. I mean, the price is reacting to this bearish order block so far. A little bit of a reaction here. Now we're in a bear market. Well, overall, in the higher time frames, we are still in a bull market. I'm just, I'm just saying that we shifted down in the lower time frames to being bearish. Target 92s, if anything, looking hella bullish. Yeah. And it's also NFP week, you know, guys. So I have to be careful with that. I have to be careful with NFP. Trader Oracle, hey there, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. So it seems like still going up. If this one is breaking through these highs, then it's absolutely not valid anymore, at least not to me. I still give one more chance to it. If this would just spike down, you know, take this fair value gap and then go higher, test the 18,000s, and break through this. The only question is, if I have contradicting signals, if, for example, this would change structure like this, and there would be a structure shift here, and if it would want to go lower, so we have to check the the higher time frames, what kind of a liquidity we have down there. That would be something to watch out for. I had a plan to go short at your stop loss, but didn't take it. Yeah, you have to go with your analysis, guys. Trust your analysis. Go with that. It really helps a lot. So I'm wondering if we're going to have a displacement. I'm not in a trade. This trade has not been taken. I just have a pending order here. But if we have a displacement with a fair value gap here, then it's going to be contradicting. It's going to be a little bit interesting. Have to make a decision then. If this one is just slipping down slowly, then it's fine. Excuse me. But for now, it seems like it's just going higher. Relative equal highs here could be taken. Could be taken. So let's wait for it. Okay, it's going back down. Entering short at TOPSTEP. Loss for his shorts. Yeah, I mean, you know, don't worry, guys. I don't take it personally. But that's also a strategy, you know. That's also a fair strategy. The 15-minute order block was the thing that happened right here, I think. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, here is the order block. If you look to the left, right here, actually, not just that, but this whole thing here. So there's your order block, bearish. Here's the opening of the candle, and it is pushing, it is reacting to that. It already reacted one, well, it's reacting to it now, so it might be pushing it down a little bit. But, you know, if it's not holding, then it should be breaking through the 992 level for sure. So I'm the liquidity, guys. Like ICT also, okay, I promised I'm not going to say this, but Michael Huddleston said that the market was hunting his stops. So I think that I'm streaming the market is going for my stops. So I'm 100% sure that there's some phone calls being made around the market makers that, okay, Tom's stop is here. We should do something about that. And that's what happened. I'm a bullseye for the market, you know. So I don't know how I could trade in the future on the streams because this is going to be weird. Because I think my stops are going to get haunted. Look at that. It's going to take out these equal highs. I'm almost certain. It's good for a scalp, guys. If you guys want to scalp it, 76 to the 90s. It's good for 10 points. If anybody wants to risk it for the biscuit, it's good for 10 points, guys. 10 points. Scalp. Go for it. I think I should be deleting my... yeah, I deleted my pending orders. Actually, I'm gonna scalp it, I think. I do want to take a scalp. I really want to take a scalp here. NQ. Let's check it. I'm interested in a scalp right now. Okay, I entered to a scalp trade to go for 10 points. So I'm going for 10 points if I can get it to the 90s. I'm deleting this pending order right now. I'm gonna let you guys know what's happening. And my exit will be at 89.50 for now, but whatever happens is gonna happen. If it's repricing this area right here, that's fine. If it wants to go for the high of the order block, that's also fine. I'm gonna wait for it in the meantime. Maybe it's me and I control the quants. Yeah, it's me. I think it is. I think it's Nasdaq Dragon. Yes, Tom, go long. Do you agree, Nasdaq Dragon? Nasdaq Dragon, do you agree with me to go long? I need your approval. I really need Nasdaq Dragon's approval. No, honestly, this is super sketch because RSI. Okay, so no approval from Nasdaq Dragon? Come on, help me out here, Naz. RSI is overbought, crossing over. Oh man. So you say I should not do this. I think you're right. Maybe I should not do this. I really wanted to see this break higher, but if not, then we have to accept it. I was really waiting for Nasdaq Dragon's approval on this trade. Damn. I was only looking for this this level here to test those highs of the order block. He said go long. I say yes because of the buyers. Now it's not looking that good anyways. But you know, if they want to push it higher, where are they going to push it? That's the question. Where would they push it? Do they want to take out the equal highs up there? Do they want to test the 18,000 again? I'm really curious. I'm really curious. Do they want to test it higher? Because if they want to take out these highs, then they would definitely have to go above the 92s. You know, they swept liquidity down there, then they have to bring it to the up there to the 92s, or all the way up to 95. I don't know. I guess we have to see. Push possible. I don't trade oil, by the way. I don't. I wanted to look into it, but I don't trade it. Nasdaq Dragon, go long for that bar, but go short for RSI. For now, as it looks like, they might want to, you know, test the high of the 15-minute order block. That is one anticipation from my end. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. The 15-minute order block for now is definitely holding, and you know, we have fair value gap at 97. I don't think they have the strength to do it for now. But we definitely congested pretty much into one level here. They should really decide what they want to do sooner than later. So let's wait it out. We can still having volume. Do they want to test out the high of the order block? That's what we have to find out. Actually, it's not far if they want to take out the 92 of the order block, of course. Hold on, guys. I'm just checking. Look at the RSI. I'm watching the RSI, man. But I just don't know what to make of this. Do you regularly trade the RSI? I mean, on a regular basis. By the way, I just closed my scalp. I just Didn't feel comfortable with the trade, not even a bit. It can also, I was just looking for a few points, but anyway, it is what it is. Let me update with you guys. I'm so happy that everyone is texting. After the fast move down and sometimes enters a trade and the market stops. You see, I told you, they are calling each other. The market makers, it's all they're doing, you know. Would you be able to analyze oil quickly or later? Would be fun to see. Well, I can do that, absolutely. Since I already closed this one, I can do that for you, Tess. Just a second. Let me read what everybody said here. Do you really trade RSI? I mean, it only looks good after the fact. I don't. So again, let me state this. I do not trade the RSI. I use the RSI to give me a kind of a feeling of the current momentum of the market, of what could be anticipated. But I do not place my trades, you know, exceptionally and to the RSI. I do not. I only look at it. Actually, you know what? Let's forget the RSI. I don't want to look at it right now. And you know what? Let's forget the EMAs as well. It's too much unreasonable conversation about it, because I just look at it to see what it really, just to anticipate kind of a move. But it's not my entry criteria. That's it. But if anyone is trading the RSI, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. On the contrary, if you can make a good profit with the RSI, why not? Then you should go with it. So now I just disabled every indicator. Let's go with the pure price action. Come on, guys. So what I was saying, I started out at the MAC and RSI, but found the stochastic. Okay. Way better. Well, stochastic is very good as well. I understand that. So I use that one and only lagging indicator. So every indicator is lagging, by the way. Every single indicator is a lagging indicator. No exception. No exception. Every single indicator. That's true. I absolutely. I can actually. Good move. Get rid of the fluff. Robert, there you go. Thanks, Robert. All right. Test was asking me to check on oil. I don't trade oil, but let's just do it for the fun. Real quick. All right. Real quick. Test was very generous yesterday as well. And let's do a very quick recap. I like to draw at least the daily midnight open and previous day lows and highs. That's how I do it. Previous day low, previous day high. It's not going to be 100% accurate. Previous day high. So there we go. So this is the 1 hour gold oil, and it's not even the futures. It's just a CFD chart. So anyway, I don't use trend lines. What do we have? We have fair value gap up here. So we have possible target in oil right there in this area. If it wants to go higher, that's a possible target. Now it's dipping lower. We have sell side liquidity down there. No, not there. Right there we have sell side liquidity. Right now it definitely looks bearish, of course. Asia lows were taken, but it's such a strong move. I mean, not a strong move, but it's clearly, let's see the 1 minute. Oh, I don't know. No retracements. The 5 minute has a fair value gap here. It can continue lower. Totally forgot. We have some very good sell side here. Previous day low, and I like this area. So it can continue lower from 78.63 to 78.40-ish. It is a CFD pricing, so I don't know what's happening with the futures right now. So this area could be a good target. We have sell side here and here. I would follow this move if it retraces back up there and go down and this target, and sell side liquidity here and here. So yeah, it's bearish, but it has no retracements. If it gets back to this 5-minute fair value gap and it gives you an entry model, whichever is your entry model, I might try to short it to target yesterday's low. At this point, there is no order block on the 5-minute or on the 15-minute. The 1 hour actually has an order block here. Bearish order block at the midnight range. I don't know, man. Sounds a little bit crazy idea, but if it gives you a short entry model here, if it retraces in the 5-minute, you can go short. Otherwise, that's all I see on oil right now. I'm sorry. Let's go back because I want to see what happens on Nasdaq. I hope you can get some information test. Let's see. Oh, you guys are... I can't even update myself with all the text messages. Thank you, guys. That is a problem. Because distraction is no fucking good because you won't stick with actual supreme price action strategies. So you might as well use mechanical edge with indicator signals. Go with odds. Yeah. There you go. I use one for sessions and one for monthly, weekly. I understand. FX entropy. The odds are in the charts. Gaps, highs, lows. Yeah, just a few lines on the chart and there you go. If you claim price action is king and is your personality to trade naked charts, then at least do it correctly by taking supply demand break retest. There you go. As the dragon knows it. Seasonality is bearish on oil. Robert, thank you for the update. There you go, test. No problem. You're welcome. If I can get an entry, I will look for longs. So Nas the Dragon has a lot of good information there. You know, as I said, every trader is a different personality. Every trading style is different. But I really do appreciate your ad on this one. Because I like price action too. I just know that I have an entry model as well with the EMAs and the RSI, which in the past couple of months, and I was journaling everything. I have every data. It was giving me very, very, very good edge over the market. So last year and up till today as well, I was using the classic ICT entry model. I'm still using it. But I saw that if I go with the indicators, especially the ones that I custom coded in MetaTrader, then those were really helping me out, playing out the edge. They can sometimes give me contradicting signals, but that's when your own personality comes in. Which way do you want to continue trading? Do you want to just solely go with discretionary trading? I don't like that idea. Or do you want to have a specific model for entries and go with the odds? If you're good in discretionary trading, then you can do it. I'm not good in it. And I think the majority of people are doing discretionary trading, but they are not good in it. And they don't know that from themselves. I know a guy here in my country who is losing a ton of money on evaluation accounts because he's not willing to accept the fact that he's a discretionary trader. He just opens up the chart. He sees like, okay, I think it should go up because I feel like it. That's how he talks about it. He's spending thousands of dollars on evaluation and challenge accounts. And I know him in person. I was on the phone with him and I help him. I try to help him. He opens up the chart and he says, you know what? I feel like it. That's exactly what it is. I feel like it, that it should be going up because, you know, it's doing this and that. So I think it's out of this and that. Actually, I feel like it's gonna go up, or I feel like it's gonna go down. And he enters to the trade, of course, oversizing, and he's surprised that his accounts are keep blowing up because he feels like that the price is going to go this way. And I always say to him that, hey, it's great that you feel it, but you know, that's like casino effect, or I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be red 25 or whatever. So I don't know. Anyway, the order block is still holding. There are people who are very good in discretionary trading. Don't get me wrong. There are people who are very good in that. But if you don't know if you're good in it, you should go with something very simple. You should go with the mechanical system. That's what I think. I know some of you guys may don't like what I say. That's your opinion. But yeah. Tom, somebody need to fuel the payouts. You know what? That deserves a laugh. Yeah. No, you want proven systems, whether it's price action or with indicators. All proven strategies and systems of profitable scalping day trading strategy. Yeah. Risk management. Actually, you're right, Nasdaq Dragon. You do want proven systems. That's true. Look at this. We made a structure break here. Immediately repricing this. What a crazy move. And it might be going up again for those levels. Very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. What do they want? Who knows? Look at that, 76. They might try to break the order block now. They might try to break the high of the order block now. I'm gonna delete this line. So I'm not entering because I have no entry model. If you guys are risking it or want to scalp it, these are good levels here. Here, you know, I like these levels, but I don't know. It's a shame that I just, you know, I wanted to go with higher risk, and I had this dirty move from Nasdaq. It's really a shame. I knew a Polish guy just like your friend. Side, most discretion comes from years of experience, in my opinion, but from most newer traders, mechanical. Absolutely, if you're new, definitely have to go with the mechanical system, and then all you have to practice is proper risk management. That's it. That's how simple. Discretion should be only anticipation entry, stops, and partials. Yeah. I do a lot of scalping lately and making huge profits. There you go. P-Trading knows it. And that anticipation done incorrectly can cause issues. Yeah, Nasdaq Dragon, that's true. Just stick with micros. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of wisdom there from Nasdaq Dragon, and I do appreciate it, so thank you. And from everyone. FX and Trophy also has some good info, but he's usually trolling me. No, he's not. He's a good guy. You are so right, but guess what? When the mechanical system will fail, because each and every system will fail from time to time, that guy will move on another, and that's when the difference is made. Is that guy going to move to another system, or is that guy or gal is going to stay with the same system? Is he or she going to acknowledge that every mechanical system has a losing streak, and he or she is going to weather out that storm of losing trades? Now that's something interesting. you know. And in the next 5 years, we'll do, yeah, just like until you will realize, hey, Nick charts are way better. I cannot disagree. There's some good truth in there. I wish I could disagree. But unfortunately, FX entropy always has some good truth. All right, guys, time for the commercial. One of the best codes right now, if you use Tom Sabo with My Funded Futures, the expert accounts with no activation fee, or it's included, you can get it for $132 if you use the code Tom Sabo, and if you register through my link, there's going to be a giveaway as well. The starter accounts, you can get a 30% off, also from the activation fee and the resets. So you can get a 50K account for $70, but end of day trailing, all the good stuff and everything. Definitely the best on the market. The true cost of funding goes with the expert accounts at My Funded Futures. There's going to be a giveaway, by the way, next Monday or Tuesday. One of the things you have to do is to register to My Funded Futures using my affiliate link. You don't have to buy anything, just register at My Funded Futures. The giveaway is going to be a 50K account, and there's going to be a review video soon. There's going to be a Google Sheet there. You just fill in your email and name, stuff like that, nothing serious, and there's going to be a wheel spin on live stream. So get ready for that. Look at that. Now it's going to crack the order block, and there you go. The level I was just, this was the level I was anticipating as discretionary entry. I was anticipating this level, but I did not anticipate that this one's going to crack down first. But the order block has been taken out, guys. So that's interesting. The order block has been taken out. What else do we have up here? Relative equal highs, fair value gap above the 18,000 level. I wonder how it's gonna go. Fair value gap up there. Yeah, I would definitely not enter right now. So yeah, Tom, at least do me a favor and read first all the messages. I know. You know, I can't. You know, I have to watch everything. Sorry, FX entropy. Sorry. Your naked charts will never be as good as my tools because I have more insight on which legs are not worth entering. On 90%. 90% win rate is extremely high, Nasdaq Dragon. That is extremely high, by the way, which is good. Very true. Need the edge to play out over time, but most can't bear to do that. Yeah. Greg is in longs. Nice. Nasdaq Dragon, I'm sure you do good. Keep it up. By the way, you talk, you are not, but I might be wrong. Yeah, what? By the way, you talk, you are not, but I might be wrong. Oh, well, don't go into a fight here, guys. Can you guys carve up the Nasdaq any time of the day, up and down? No, right. So, hush, please. I'm the real ICT. Oh, there you go. Nasdaq, I knew Nasdaq Dragon is the real ICT. I knew it. Damn, it's pumping, yeah. I closed my scalp here. Maybe I would be sweating here at this point, but I closed it and now it's just back up there again. I'm all right with it. I'm perfectly fine. Bro, what I have and know should be illegal. Oh, it's illegal? Wow. It's simple yet powerful. You have no idea till you see it for yourself. As the dragon, that puts me to be curious. We have two power players here, Nasdaq Dragon and FX Entropy. I think we're gonna take bets on stream. Can I do a poll? How do I do polls? I don't know how to do a poll on. How do I do? I don't know how to do polls. No. I don't know how to do that, but I'm gonna do that. Come on, guys. Let's pull it up right now on Tom's screen. But I don't know how to. What do you guys want me to do? I'm just trying to trade here. What you guys? I'm already had a loss this morning. What do you guys want me to do? Give me a good entry. No, I played out my system. It went against me. I'm fine. Let me update myself because things are, rapidly evolving here. If Tom can share it, I don't know. What can I share? What do you want? Pop up the image, Tom. Let's go over it. What image? I don't see any image. You posted the link? Hold on. It's weird because usually people who are very successful don't flaunt it. People who are slightly successful or and oversell the recovery. I don't know. I'm on the I'm on the sidelines here, looking to short around 22. I'm looking for any kind of possible entry on the shorts if they want to put it lower. On the higher time frames, now that we entered into the 15-minute fair value gap, we can go shorter. I don't know. I could see that short working for so now they tipped into liquidity. If this would displace lower, I would be interested. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to wait. Naked eye truth. Yeah, Tom, trade, brother. Let's see it. I would like to trade, but I don't have an entry. That's why we're waiting. It's just a waiting game, guys, right now. Oh no, I put on the RSI again. By the way, we have a divergence on the 1 minute RSI. Just saying. I'm not using it as an entry. But what? So hold on. What? Just a second. Just a second. That just sound like someone. No, don't worry about it. I mean, Nasdaq Dragon also. I mean, he provides some insights. I'm in long since 1932.5 Asian range grab, and now looking opening price at maybe slight drawdown, then flip to the upside. I don't know. Don't want to be politically correct. Yeah, Tom, you cannot see the link. No, I don't, because it's Streamlabs. Streamlabs is not letting the links go through to the chat. No links are allowed. And not just Streamlabs, YouTube doesn't allow viewers to post links. So you can post it, you might see it, but nobody else sees it. So if you were posting some links, I haven't seen any of them, or nobody. So it's everywhere. It's a link to an image to a trading view. Oh yeah. I thought that you are posting something, but I wanted to say that YouTube and or Streamlabs are not letting anyone to post links, only mods. No, I'm fine, because you're not driving me crazy, because I'm just waiting for a trade. So I have no entry anyways. I have absolutely no entry here, guys. I'm just waiting. I have absolutely no entry, guys, so I didn't miss anything. I had one short, ended up in a loss, tried to scalp, but I closed it. I have no entries. went into this fair value gap. If we continue to go lower, then we go lower. I have nothing else. Yeah, what you can do, you can send the link to me in, for example, in email. It's very simple to do. I'm gonna enter it to the chat. You can email to me the link. There you go. So if you want the link, to send the link, I can open it for you while we are waiting, you know. I'm not banning anyone for now. No, I think we have a healthy conversation. We can check his chart. Why not? For now, I'm just waiting for entries anyway. I don't have anything specific right now on the charts. So the one thing I'm waiting for is maybe for price to dip lower, do a structure shift or something. I don't know. Yeah, there's some truth in that. Hit your TP. Nice, Greg. Congratulations. Congratulations. Applause. By the way, if someone is new, please, nobody's banning anyone, Greg. Please subscribe to the channel. Like the stream also. Push the like button, guys. Help me out with this. And let's push it together. No, nothing. We were just having a conversation. Nothing serious happened. Nasdaq Dragon has a good model or entry with the RSIs, I think, and he wanted to share some charts on TradingView, and that's it. FX and Trophy has also a different opinion. Not so. I mean. That's it. We're just, you know, listening to opinions while we are waiting for a trade setup. Got a hotshot billionaire in here. No one getting banned. No. We keep the conversation in between healthy spirit. So, in a healthy spirit, sorry. So, that's how we do it. Where did you learn your strategy, Nas? Genuinely curious, not trying to troll. It's open-minded. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is FX entropy. There you go. There you go. Okay, so here's the chart. FX entropy sent me over. How can I open it? Come on. No. Hold on. I just downloaded it. Superb. Nice. Nice. And I'm just going to put it here. Perfect. Perfect. So here's the chart. FX entropy just sent me. So this is the chart of FX entropy. No, sorry. Nasdaq Dragon. Nasdaq Dragon. Ah, guys. That's Nasdaq Dragon's chart. So this is his chart. Nasdaq Dragon's chart. I do see Nasdaq. I see, I don't know what I see here. I see a line. Is this the VWAP? Nice trade there. come on. Whose chart is... Okay, that's... Come on, guys. Whose chart... I mean, I have like a dozen emails just this morning. That's FX Entropy, all right. And this is Nasdaq Dragon's chart. Okay, that was FX Entropy's chart. I'm sorry. Guys, I'm just getting overwhelmed here. This is Nasdaq Dragon's chart, and this is FX Entropy's chart. Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That isn't it. Okay, this is Nasdaq Dragon's chart. Right here. So, there is something down here. Is this RSI? Wow. There's a buy signal here. Okay. Fun times. This is Heiken-Ashi candles. Or something like that, right? Yeah. It's a version of that. Stochastic Momentum Index. There you go. There you go. I see. I see. Don't regards, we're not missing anything because Nasdaq is just pumping higher. I have no entry, so we can do this. Super easy flow. In and out. Nice. Is this the Lux Algo trend lines that I'm seeing? Seems like it. Seems like the Lux Algo because it has the break. Looks good, by the way. And do we have the VWAP here? I think we do. I mean, I do like the setup. I mean, it looks good. No troll, really. I do like it. That's the Dragon's chart. When my candles turn yellow or black, I know we a pump up or down. But my candles are blue, buy side, white sell side. Okay, okay. I understand you go with this. You know, again, if a mechanical system provides you with an edge, you should definitely go with it. FX Entropy. What time frame chart is this? This is, I think, is this the 1 minute chart? I think it's the 1 minute chart, right? Auto trend lines, auto support and resistance in the auto supply demand to all saving your time. Okay. Yeah, so because this looks like the Lux Algo trend line. But yeah, that's M1. Yeah. Interesting, but I do like it. I mean, what can I say? It's a mechanical system. If it works for you, you know, there is no way this has a 90% win rate. I don't know how he's using it. But if he's doing good with it, you know, that's all that matters. I'm actually going to look into that. What did you said what this was? Stochastic Momentum Index. Stochastic Momentum Index. All right. Roll it down just to make sure. I will look into it. Anyway, that's the risk talking on streams. Yeah, I'll get back to my corner. You ground yourself. Look at the SMI crossovers, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I understand. Low risk or high win rate, SMI only with trading view. I understand. Okay, so we check this. FX and Trophy, he was building up some trades here. I see that. And yeah, nice. Very simple. FX Entropy is using a very, very simple approach here. But look at him. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. And we are going up there like crazy on the Nasdaq. Look at this pump, guys. Next level on the 15-minute maybe. Who knows? Should be taking out 51. Wow. What a move. What a move. 51 up there. Going for the 62s maybe. Not sure. Not sure. But looks cool. But no trade here, guys, for now. We have to wait. Whatever we do, first, it's now the waiting game. This was a dirty move this morning. This was a real dirty move. I didn't like it at all. With Luxalgo script. Which Luxalgo? I think there is a Luxalgo trend line or something like that, Isham. I think there is something like that. The true daily open, not that 0-0. Is this the why? I'm just curious, really no troll or anything. Why is this the true daily open? I don't know. This is not the daily open for me. The New York open was for me here. Why is the... I'm just really out of curiosity asking. Why is the 18,040 is the true daily open? I'm just really curious. Is this from because yesterday or because of the electronic trading hours? No. Let's see what was here. Oh, because this was the closing time. Electronic trading hours close time or something like that. I think. Not sure. I rock that setup on MNQ on 32nd M2 and can make 1K with 5 micros or less real fast. Dude, Nasdaq Dragon is rocking that. That is cool, man. Do you have access to 10 indicators on TradingView? If so, leave me your email here. I'll send you the link to the chart so you can save the layout and study it and use it. Nice. Using 9 indicators total. Nice. Plus, I pay for real-time data for futures. Yeah. Sydney Open. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sasha. Thank you. That's why I was curious. Sydney Open. All right. He cannot post links. He cannot, but you know, if you just type an email here without the sign, you know, in the chat, you can do that without the @ sign. You can share, for example, an email like your name without the @ sign. Just type in, maybe you can type @gmail or whatever. You should be able to see it because YouTube and Streamlabs are not letting to post links. Tom, go to indicators and find CMHOC. 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 HOCL. No indicators. Is this in community scripts? No. It's not there. It's not there. My system guaranteed loser. We all have that on our toolbox, no worries. Yeah. By the way, so these levels, you cannot really do anything. It's just so, you know, it's going up like crazy. On settings, you have current day open and see how that line is being targeted and respected. Oh, I see, Sasha. All right, thank you. I'm gonna write that down for later. I'm not gonna do everything here on stream, but I'm gonna do some research. I always do research, by the way. CMHO. Okay. I'm gonna check it out. For now, I'm really just waiting for this to do some significant big letters. I think the okay, let's try it. CMHO. It's not giving it. CMHOC. It's not pulling it out. Classic move time, manipulation under Asia lows, then shoot up for daily pivot. Yeah, I don't use pivot. Classic 100%. That's classic move. Look at this. It might even go to the 62s. But there has to be some profit taking first. What a move. Look at the 5-minute. No stopping of this. Classic manipulation, that's for sure. And distributing higher. We have an order block here at the 88s. It can go anywhere, guys. It can do whatever she wants. We have no control here. Most important, I heard a lot and I know a lot. I mean, I heard a lot about the pivots. I was studying them for a while, but you know. As I said, it's different for everyone. Back to my good old trend lines for now. Good morning, Serdar. I guess NQ is going to moon. For now, it seems like it played dirty on me this morning, so started with a nice loss. The unfortunate thing is that I just upsized my position, so I took a little bit more loss than I should have, but this is trading, so I'm just waiting for the next move. That's it. NQ bull train. Yesterday NQ 5, yeah. KRK, hey there. Hey there, KRK. Fellow trader from Hungary, üdvözöllek. Hungarian greetings there. Tom, do you have access to 10 indicators? No, I don't. I have the basic subscription. I have the basic. I think I have access to like 5 or something. I really don't need it that much because all I wanted is the candles not to be lagging, and I subscribed for the futures data, so I don't need the rest of the service from TradingView. For a while, I had the premium or essential, or I don't even know what the highest was, but I downgraded it to the tier 1 subscription, or what it's called, because I didn't need that much indicators. I didn't need that much indicators. I just needed the screen not to lag. Oh, you guys are sending me more emails. All right. Patrick sent me something. Hold on. FX Entropy sent me something. Let me. What did you send me? Oh, okay. Hold on. FX Entropy sent me a chart again. So FX Entropy sent me this one. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? One contract up. Wow. 1,300 USD. Wow. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Awesome, dude. Nice trade there. Well, I have some new viewers, definitely. So by the way, guys, if you can help out the stream, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're trying to grow. TP reached. Oh, yeah. Which one was that? Not this one. Not this one. This one. TP reached 61. Oh, yeah. Guys. Wow. FX Entropy just made at least nearly $3,000 on this trade. This is his chart. Nice trade there. Nice trade. It's called Code Plots by Chris Moody. Code Plots. No problem. Let's see. Code Plots. There. Oh, yeah. I see. Okay. All right. I see what you mean. Okay, so the Sydney Open. I see. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put it away for now. No, actually, I'm gonna code plots. I'm gonna put it to the favorites and I'm gonna check it out later. But thank you. That's a good one. Timetable, let's do a teaching lesson. Please go to M3 and switch to Heiken-Ash candles on TradingView. Let's see all together how easy it come from it. Okay, you know what? Let's do it. Since we're definitely... Oh, hold on. We might be having a break lower here. But anyway. Let's go to 3-minute chart. Let's go to 3-minute chart, all right? So 3-minute candles, Heiken-Ashi. There you go. I'm gonna disable this. 3-minute Heiken-Ashi chart. There you go. I don't have 30-second chart here because this is the first tier subscription. I have only 1 minute. That's the lowest, I think. I have only the basic subscription on TradingView. That's we're just, we're just fooling around now. We're just waiting for some trade confirmation. But I don't have 30 seconds on TradingView. I have it on Quant Tower. I have 30 seconds on Quant Tower, but not here. I'm looking at it. Yeah, this was a nice move. This was a nice move. It's definitely beautiful. It's beautiful. So Nasdaq Dragon, he knows it. It's beautiful. We're gonna do some real back tests with this. Hey, I always hear out every idea. I always give the respect to everyone who comes with an idea. And since we're just waiting, why not? I can do that. There you go. Epic Centrop is trolling back. Let's look at the 1 minute. Oh, look at that. Wow. I was curious how it seemed like on the 1 minute. For example, here, yeah, right here. I never really looked into Heiken Ashi candles, so anyway, I'm just coming back to my good old boring charts. I see it. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. But it's not that simple, I think. I mean, it's simple, but not that simple. You have to you have to manage risk differently. But I understand. I definitely gave a fair shot to watch it. Look at it. I'm all wet. No, I really saw it. It was a beautiful move there. You just have to catch the moves. You have to know when to enter. Could be framed in the lure. Super easy because only doji and power candles with flat tops and bottoms. I definitely hear you there. Oh my god. I'm just sticking with my own entry model for now. I know it's definitely not that good. I know that. I know I'm not doing things as the way you guys are rocking the market, and I absolutely respect that. And I wrote down stuff here. I really did. So I'm respecting every opinion. I looked into the charts. I am definitely going to. I'm always studying. So, but you guys are doing awesome, and I just try to be up to your levels, and I do my best here. But it's just too much information. There was so many information that I really have to consume all this info. Let's give him some applause for that nice art. No, I'm not green. I had a stop loss, John. I had a stop loss, unfortunately. Look at how dirty it went on me. Had a great entry to target this low here. Wicked me out, and then boom, went into the target. So I had a beautiful stop loss. And that's it. But by the way, guys, the good news is, if somebody is new, that you can use my code at My Funded Futures to get your 30% off from the starter accounts and 20% off from the expert accounts. So this code is going to give you a very good discount the whole month through March, and that is awesome. Also, there's going to be a giveaway soon, a 50k My Funded Futures account. Subscribe to the channel and check out the new video. It's going to be a review video. There's going to be a Google Sheet where you type your email and name. And there's going to be a wheel spin on Monday or Tuesday for a 50k account. All you need to do is do a free registry through my affiliate link at My Funded Futures. And that's how we're going to do it. That was the commercial, guys. So also, if you want to go with BULENOX, I think they still have the 90% sale. I'm going to have to check it. And the rest of them is good as well. If you want to go with Apex, Apex has still the 71% and the 3-day pass. And TOPSTEP gives you a 20% discount if you register through my link with a new account. You're going to have a 20% discount. So I'm going to check if the BULENOX codes are still valid, because they're really changing it every time. Let's see, statistics. Let's see, the coupons. The coupon codes are still valid, guys. The coupon codes are still valid at BULENOX. 90% still going on. But the true cost of funding is the cheapest at My Funded Futures with the expert plan if you use my code. That's it. Just register through my link. Okay, that was the commercial. I had to do it because, you know, it's part of my business. Part of the stream. Okay. For looks chart. Okay, I have finished. Where is the napkin? Made mess here. Oh, guys, messy London session. Yeah, it was. I mean, this was a dirty move on Nasdaq on me. So what can I say? Not every morning is so bright as we would like it to be. I'm not in a trade. I had no entry to go long, so I was waiting for some kind of a retracement. It didn't happen, and now if it wants to retrace, well, as we're going out from the London kill zone, I would like to wait for what happens. We are going to have some news after 8 yeah, we're gonna have some news after 8 a.m. Powell is still going to speak today, so that's not good. And tomorrow is NFP, so be careful, guys. I'm still waiting, so you gotta do what you gotta do, Tom. Thank you. Man, what a crazy bull rally we had here, yeah. GG on the W. Nasdaq Dragon, I really thank you for your thoughts about the Heiken-Eshi candles. I will look into that for sure. For now, as I did this morning, I'm just going to stick with my entry, but I always study, I always seek for new information. So that was really thoughtful. It was really thoughtful. I have to use the bathroom because I'm pissing myself. And I have to drink something because my throat is dry. But not Palinka. Please do not go anywhere. We're gonna go over the charts once more. And like the stream, subscribe. I'll be right back. I'm back. I've suffered terrible pains. Oh my god, okay. I'm pissing, the market will tank. Yeah. That's the signal of all signals, guys. If I go to the bathroom to piss, you know. I see you piss. Oh man. Uh-oh, Tom. That's trying to peep your pee. Guys. Waterfall in toilet means what? No. Jerome. Oh, steak and McDonald's in the same sentence. Yeah. Yeah. McDonald's in Florida sell steaks. Wow. That is awesome. Oh man. This was awesome, guys. Naked charts. Yeah. It is. I mean, naked charts is definitely the core of the system. Whatever you do, understanding basic price action. Trying to look for something if it wants to continue to the upside. There is a buy side here, by the way, at these levels. Buy side liquidity right there. Uh, 58. I think it can go for it. It looks a little bit bullish. I don't know. At 92, what do you guys think of the 18,092 level? Will it go for it? Fair value gap is up there. Or are we going to have some kind of a retracement before that? So there's the next buy side. Are we going for it? Let me know. Trying to measure risks here in terms of profit and one-to-one risk to reward. Okay. I was looking to scalp it anyways, so. But buy side is real close. If it wants to go like 92, do they really want to push it to 92? or all the way to the 90s. Not sure about that. It's getting close, that's for sure. Yeah, micro scalping. Micro peen scalping, as Cami Capital would say it. But you know, this candle is closing now. Small fair value gap here and here. Risk to reward is still okay-ish. If it goes into this area right now, you can go for it if you guys want to. There is a liquidity void down at 63. Might want to dip down there. Don't know. Might want to take it. Okay, 63.25, 63.25. I got filled. 1 to 2 risk to reward. The take profit should be 92. 92. I'm looking for the 90 level for now. Stop is down at 48.50 maybe. Stop is 48. Well, somewhere there. But it's only with micros. Risk reward is still okay. If this one can make it, then I would be happy with it. I don't need this now, and I don't need this. Just naked charts. Just naked entry. That's all I need right now. That's all I need. And there. That's all I needed. So I'm in a trade. Yeah, for 100, that's, yeah. Those are micros, yeah, so. So, yeah. I am in a trade. 49, let's do it to 49. I'm gonna put this to 49.50 maybe. And I'm gonna put the TP to 92.75. Should I target that? 92.50. 92.50. Yeah, 92.50 is fine. All right. Let's see. Just classic naked charts. Looking for buy side up there. That's it. That's it, gals and guys and girls. Nothing special here. The day before NFP is one I don't trade. Yeah, it was interesting because last time I was measuring these days and I was talking about in one of these streams about NFP, and I said that we had good price action on NFP week, and I know many of you guys are saying, also pro traders are saying, that you should not trade at all on NFP week, but feels late in the move. It can be late. Yeah, it can be late. That's why I downsized a little bit. I downsized a little bit there. Tom, you cannot be serious chasing longs after the move already happened. Yeah, and as unfortunately, I already took this trade, so Naz, it's what can I do? If it takes me out, it takes me out. At least I'm gonna own this one. And yeah. Pro traders doesn't trade. Well, at least that's what they say. You know, that's what they say. Pro traders don't trade on NFP week. I don't know. I don't know. It's really hard to tell. Big buy order. Well, depends on where is the big buy order. I do trade the week, but only Tuesday and Wednesday, and on the day of NFP after the release. Yeah. The more new, the better, bro. Just look at this price action. It's boring. Yeah. It's all the way 1876 is. Yeah. Yeah. I think the only fashionable tool I haven't yet traded is Bookmap. Maybe. Anyways. Yeah, news. Everyone blow under this buyer scandals. Let's help out our man Tom with this trade. Help. Well, if you can help me out with a few more contracts to push this up, to push the market up, that would be really, really great. Yeah. Yeah. Could be profit taking, by the way, on these levels up there. Could be profit taking. Don't worry, Tom. My one micro will push this. There you go, Greg. Especially on a simulated account. We are all in a simulated environment, so simulated contracts are definitely going to push the market. So good old classic naked chart price action. yeah. So guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please check out some links. Subscribe to the channel. Push the like button. It can really help out the stream. And while we are waiting for this trade to evolve, let me do another commercial. I know you guys hate it. But the My Funded Future promo code, I mean, the Tom Sabo gives you a 30% discount on starters and 20% discount on expert accounts. The cheapest true cost of funding is the expert accounts with My Funded Futures. So register through my affiliate link, so you will be able to enter into our giveaway as well. I'm going to do a review video later about My Funded Futures. There's going to be a Google Sheets that you can just fill your name and email. And on Monday or Tuesday, we're going to do a giveaway, a wheel spin or something here on the chat. So you guys are going to be able to get this. So these codes are going to be available through the month. 30% and 20%. You can get also activation fee off by 30% and the resets down 30%. Go check them out. They were very generous by helping me out with this promotion, and they offered the 50K evaluation account. So that giveaway is going to be great. Make sure to subscribe and keep on with the content, because the review video I will tell everyone. Also on Twitter, if you're not following me on Twitter, I'm going to post out on Twitter the Google Sheet and how to enter the giveaway. It's going to happen Monday or Tuesday. All right. So you will have time over the weekend to fill out the details. Tom, how am I supposed to switch from micro to mini? You open the micro tab. So let me show you real quick on Quant Tower. So you open the charts like this, and you, for example, you have BULENOX, right? On BULENOX, you go down to the CME futures, and it's called MNQ. So micro Nasdaq, if you can see it. Sorry. Oh, damn it. So MNQ, you choose this, and usually go with the first one here, because that means MNQ. There. So if you choose this, it's going to open up for you like this. That's how simple. That's how simple it is. So I have to change the tabs. Epic Centropy, thank you, but since you're using ad blocker, it doesn't really. And the commercial is over, by the way. The commercial is over. So how does the promo works on Funded Futures when you already have an account? It's fine. You can. It's about the cookies, but it's cool. It doesn't it's not that mandatory. Basically, it's just you can just click on my link and that's it. Just click on my affiliate link, it's right there. And if you log into your dashboard through my affiliate link, that's it. That's how simple it is. But it's fine. Just click on the link and you will have the affiliation cookie. That's it. But details are going to be told on the video. I'm doing a video today and it's going to be uploaded. So oh, that's the Dragon pays for premium. That's also good because if someone is a YouTube premium user, I get to have ad revenue from premium users as well. You know, you guys don't see an ad, but I get a portion of ad revenue. So there you go. So I would say to you guys, if you don't want to see the ads, subscribe to premium on YouTube. That's also a version to do it. Okay, Tom, going for 150k account. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you so much, P-Trading. And by the way, I'm really thankful and grateful for everyone who is registering any kind of account or just registering a new account at My Funded Futures. Helps me out with a great deal. Thank you so much. Look at this trade. Seemed too easy to be true, right? Now it can just boom, go down and go up like crazy. It needs like 10 points. 10 points for Nasdaq after this rally higher. It can really do it easy if it wants to. It's very close to that buy side, so. Supposed to smile on it. I like the vibe today, guys. Everybody has don't forget that deer in the headlights over leveraging, averaging down on losers. Amateur hour type is bro. Yeah, that's what I did yesterday. You know, I oversized and instead, I mean, I should have closed it, but instead I was a deer in the headlight. Macro ending now. So what that means? What does that mean? Is it turning around or is it just continuing its way to liquidity? This was in the macro. Tom, how will I switch micro to mini or other way? You should be keeping open both of the tabs. So, for example, let me show you. You have a chart here. And you open another chart. You can put them together and you can switch between the tabs. That's how simple. One is going to be the micro and one is going to be the mini. That's it. One micro, one mini. That's how you should do it. One micro, one mini. So you just have to switch bit. That's how I made myself a huge problem yesterday. I didn't switch between the tabs and I pushed the buy button on minis. That was crazy. What's that box? I opened. That was a chart. Don't. Why won't you? What? That was a chart. What the heck? Tom, why won't you show that you really are in this trade? Actually, I'm out from this trade. But I can show you that I was in this trade. I closed it earlier. I regained my losses. I lost $100 on the BULENOX account. Here it is. This was the one that I suffered the biggest yesterday. I was down $120 this morning. And so I made back $100. How do I show the trade history? There's a history tab here. Hold on. Hold on. There's a history tab. I always mess it up with the... Where is the history tab? Come on. I have to find it. Oh yeah, I know. The accounts. The closed positions. I think that's it, right? Closed positions. Close. Positions, orders, working orders, positions, market depth, account, symbol info, order entry. No, that's not it. Where is the history? I want to show you that I closed it with a nice profit there. I scalped it with partials. Just a second. I want to check for it. I want to check for... How do I show the history on Quantower? Help me out, someone. Because I'm only using Quantower since recently. This morning I had a $120 loss. A little bit more than that. So I managed to pull back the account. I started from on the BULENOX account from 889, pulled it back to 869, but I downsized it with micros. Apex account started with $1,820. I went down to 600 something. I don't even know. I'm up to 800. But I want to show the history because Nas the Dragon thinks that I'm lying here. And I want to prove him wrong. Let's see. Auto liquidate threshold. Where is the history, guys? I have to log into Rhythmic. I have to log into the Rhythmic, right? Let me log into Rhythmic Trader. If I log into Rhythmic, I should be able to see it, I think. All right, hold on. I'm logging into Rhythmic because I know that on Rhythmic there is a way to... let's log in with the BULENOX details. BULENOX. All right. BULENOX, login. Let me show you the trades. What? What just happened? Did I get disconnected? Oh yeah, BULENOX got disconnected. Nice. All right. Then log in with the Apex. Doesn't really matter to me because it was copy traded. Try to log in with Apex now. Oh yeah, this was a good call actually. Apex connection lost. Copy trade can out of sync. Do you want to continue? Yes. Copy trading. No, I want to show it because that's more transparent. That was a good question anyways. If I can. Or if someone could tell me how can I show the history in Quant Tower. Where is Rhythmic? Rhythmic Trader Pro. There you go. Apex. Damn, this Rhythmic is really, really interesting. Okay, now log into. I'm gonna log into my Apex Rhythmic. Then doesn't really matter because it was copy trading. Cancel the connection to my Apex so the Rhythmic can log in. I don't know what the hell is going on. Okay. There you go. I just can't log in. Why the hell not? I have two accounts. Doesn't really matter because I just closed down the Quant Tower completely. No, I was in the trade. That's why I want to show you. Because I was down this morning. That's why I want to show you. I entered here at... What the hell is going on? Oh, now it's good. So I entered the trade here and then I closed it up here because I regained most of the losses. That's why I tried to log into Rhythmic, because at least on Rhythmic I can show you. Hold on. I don't know what the hell is going on with this. I have multiple Rhythmics, that's the problem. I opened up multiple Rhythmic entries. So now I'm gonna do it properly. There you go, Nas the Dragon. Live stream. Okay. All right. So I managed to make it. So here are my trades. These are from the Apex account, but doesn't really matter. These are copy traded. I can only log into one. So at the morning, as you can see, I suffered losses here. These were the losses. I'm just saying that I did not lie when I told you guys I entered to a trade. So these were the losses here in the morning. These are the ones I took. I suffered 100. You can screenshot this if you want to. I don't care. I hate when someone tells me I'm a liar. So $56. Sorry, $54, $27, $59. Almost the same here because, of course, we have some lagging issues here. So this was the short. I partially entered here, but I took these trades. And this one up here was actually the win, but I closed it earlier. I took it with micros. Oops, sorry. There was a mini as well because I was scalping earlier. So I did a scalp and I entered here. This entry was at, the average entry was one at 63, 69. So I entered here. Guys, I wasn't lying when I told you guys I'm entering the trade. So 63, as you can see, 18,063. My entry was at 18,063, and then I entered another scalp too. My goal was to regain these losses as much as I can. Net position 58, 4, 3, 5, $14. I know it's not much, but my goal was to somehow, you know, work back my losses. So I entered here, a little bit up here, tried to do an average entry. My goal was this up here. The one thing I did not tell you guys, that because I was clicking on my left window, is that I closed these micros and portions somewhere here. And that's it. That's it. So I did enter the trades here, the last one, and the morning one here, which I lost. And I scalped it with one. I did one scalp here. These are the trades. So I was not paper trading on TradingView here. I was really entering this simulated accounts. So that's it for that. All right. $1 million pesos. Oh yeah, well, I should do that maybe next time. I think next time maybe I will do it like I will pull the Quant Tower screen up, and maybe that would be more better, because you guys see TradingView, you see the plan on TradingView, but yeah, maybe that would be a better idea to pull out the actual Quant Tower screen on. I just like TradingView for charting, so I do like that. Actually, I have to restart Quant Tower, I think. I think I do have to restart Quant Tower. Yeah. Let's restart Quant Tower. But at least buy side has been taken. So if it wants to dip lower, I should be able to see an entry. Let's see. All right. All right. Let's see. Okay, Quant Tower is coming back finally. It has some connection issues sometimes due to rhythmic maybe or something. No, wet, no. I was actually reflecting to Nasdaq Dragons. I was reflecting to Nasdaq Dragon because to show him that I entered the trade, but I closed it not up here at TP, but sooner because I wanted to regain my losses earlier. So I closed it earlier on the left monitor on my Quant Tower. And by the time I showed him, there was no trades on. So the only way I could prove Nasdaq Dragon that I had trades in this entry is to show my rhythmic data. That's it. That was the reason why I did that. Not because wet, not you wet. I just wanted to show that I entered here. That's it. Quant Towers is really good, man. I really make MT5. Yeah, MT5 is a little bit older. Hey, Jamie. Nice to see you. I didn't really see you. Oh, you're gonna be 32. Nice. Happy birthday in June. June is a good month. Never too old to give some free shit. It's free. Wet. Wow. You're in the Navy. So it's in the culture to give people shit. That's awesome. Oh man. Has some background. The military background is good, by the way. Your daughter is on 22. Wow, everybody has a birthday there. Awesome. That is great, guys. So right now we're just waiting for some change in the trend, maybe. But, you know. Just waiting. What else do we have? The 90% sale is still going with BULENOX. That's interesting. It's a good thing. They used to change it in about 24 hours or something. Usually. So next time I do trade entry, I'm going to pull off the Quant Tower screen for you guys and not trading view. That's what I just decided. "13 years in the military, Matt." Oh wow. Matt, congratulations there. 13 years. That is awesome. Naz wants to teach his system. More into hunting than trading. Too boring. Hey, Vet, that is awesome, man. You're in the service for that time. I mean, I salute you. I was in the military for 3 years. I was in Africa mission. I already showed some pictures. I was with the NATO reaction forces for a while. I was with the water purification platoon, and we were sent to Africa to make clean water from the ocean, and also servicing here in Hungary. Although it's just 3 years, but I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it really much. How was it down there? Well, I can tell you it was crazy. I used to do this as a promotion, so maybe I will get new subscribers. So I can show you a real G.I. Joe picture of myself. Actually, from last time I saved it because I showed it on the stream. Here I am at the NATO reaction force back when I was in the Hungarian military. NRF stands for NATO reaction force. But yeah, I was posing here, so no real danger, guys. No real danger. No real danger. I was just posing. But yeah. I think I have another one here. Oh yeah, here it is. With the AK. Wow. So these back here in the background were the these were the machines that we were making the water from the ocean. So that was really that was a long time ago. That was a long time ago. Look, I was definitely much younger than now. It was in a different universe, you know. It was in a different universe. That baby face, yeah, that's what they called me actually, baby face. My commander told me, okay, baby face, do some guard stuff, you know. Actually, yeah, G.I. Joe time. I was actually babyface. You were washing your face with wet baby powder. Yeah, actually I did that. Everybody is nice here. I know that everybody is nice. I'm just reading the comments. Put 30 years into your age? Come on, man. I'm just reading the comments before that. Yeah. Everybody is nice. Jamie, don't worry. Still, thank you. I'm no longer a sailor. I said, yeah. Surround boards, yeah. Yeah, but that's great pay. Yeah. Yeah. I was back then, everything was, when that picture has been made, after that I was introduced to trading. All right. I have no position. I don't think we should go long here. I think we have to wait for some kind of a retracement. I would really love to see some retracement right now on Nasdaq for sure. I would really like to see that. For now. If I get 300, then I will start streaming. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I don't know what can I say. We had some nice movements. This one messed me up. This one helped me to regain some of my losses. Overall, it was a good session, but we are out of the kill zone anyways, so have to wait for New York. I'll be here in New York as well, so subscribe to the channel, put some likes as well if you can, and yeah, watch out for the My Funded Futures promo. Register through my affiliate link, and I'm gonna do the giveaway. A 50k account is gonna be given away here on stream, but how to apply, it's gonna be posted on YouTube and Twitter and everywhere, so you won't be missing a thing. Flew a lot of missions in. Oh wow, messed your back. Wow, got nerve damage in your shoulder plates. Oh my god, man. And my floating ribs healed. And dude, Vet, I enjoyed that. Thank you so much for joining the stream, Vet. I do like it. See you in a few hours. Yeah, guys, I'll be back in New York, so if you can, please join the stream. And thank you for, oh, Mati, thank you for the subscription. Guys, I'm gonna be coming back. Huge applause for everyone. It was quite an interesting conversations in this stream. And thanks for the inputs. See you guys in the New York session. So thanks again. One more applause for every one of you. See you.